Here we are on the third question of worksheet perfect trinomials. And in this, the position of k is in A position, the very first term in your trinomial, correct? So let's go through this question. Question 3. What value of k will make each expression a perfect trinomial? I hope by now you understand what is a perfect trinomial, right? A perfect trinomial is something like this. If I have a plus b whole square, you know it could be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So that is a trinomial. It has got three different terms. If it could be factored and written in the form of a plus b whole square or even a minus b whole square, then it is called a perfect trinomial. If it is a minus b whole square, the center term, the middle term, will have minus as its coefficient, right? So that is what a perfect trinomial is. Now in this worksheet, we have 6 examples. I'll do 2 of them for you, rest you do, right? Now here, value of k you have to find so that you can make this a perfect trinomial. And k is in the first position for us this time. Okay, in the other two, it was in middle and in the last position. Okay, so we'll try to write this in this form, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and then by comparison, we'll find the value of k. That is the strategy. Correct. So here, it should be, first term should be a perfect square, right? So we don't know what k is anyway. We'll reuse the word a here. A may create confusion, so let me use any other letter. Let's say p here, right? So px whole square, right? Plus middle term will split with 2 times something. So 2 times a, which is px, right? So we'll say 2 times, and here we have 1. So we'll just write 2 times 1, 1, and then we'll write p, and then x, plus 1 is 1 square, correct? Yeah, we say a, b, but we always put b first, since a involves a variable, and always when you write an expression, we write constants first and then the variable. That is why we always flip it, right? Now, let's go ahead and compare. 10, we want 10x, but what do we have here? We have 2p. So p should be 5, correct? Only then you can get 10, right? So from here, by comparison, you find that p should be equals to 5. Is that okay? Then this becomes 10. So let's put 5 here. So say 5x whole square plus 2 times 1 times 10 times x plus 1 square, right? Now all these are equal, right? So we get what? Let's expand it. We get 25x square plus, p is 5, so I should have written 5. 2 times 1 is this, and 5. So 2 times 5 is 10x plus 1. Now let's compare these two equations, right? So we find that k should be 25. So we get a value of k which is 25, correct? So we can write here as our answer k equals to 25. Do you see that? That is the answer, k equals to 25. And if you factor this, what will you get? You will get 5x plus 1 whole square. So it becomes a perfect square, right? For k equals to 25, this trinomial becomes a perfect square. So that is the way to do it, right? Now let's do the next question, and we can start from right side. 16 can be written as 4 square, right? Plus, this is minus 2 times what will give you 24? First we have 4, okay. 4 is a. Now, in this case, b, right? 2 times 4 times what? Will give us 24. That is all the question, right? Times what? And that what is comes here. That x whole square. So that is another way of looking into the same equation and its solution, right? times what? And that number comes here. So let's figure out. 2 times 4 is 8 and 8 times 3 is 24. And therefore we know, well, it is 3. So we say, well, 2 times 4 and that number is 3. So we have this equation and we write 3 here, right? 3x whole square, right? So when you open this square, you get what? You get 9x square minus 24x plus 16. Now with comparison, what do you get? The k value is 9 for you. Do you understand? Not 3. K value is 9 for you. And you can always expand, and this is equal to, if you factor this, you get 3x. This number is minus here, so the sign is minus in the center, minus 4 whole square. For a value of k equals to 9, you get this trinomial as a perfect square of 3x minus 4. That is how you need to solve and think about it, correct? I hope both these methods make things more clear. So by comparison, you see k and 9. Just by comparison, we found the value of k. And that is how you are doing all these questions, right? I hope you have understood this and you will be able to do these interesting questions. Thank you.